Heyo friends, Alan Bryce here. Welcome back to the struggle. Welcome back to our playthrough of Stray. The benchmark in cats in dystopian future simulators. The buck stops here, friends. The buck stops here. Oh, he disappeared. Okay. If you want to check out my initial, I guess I went in blind, my initial impressions playing the first little bit of the game, there is a link for that video. It's a backlog series video in the description. So if you want more nonsense, go watch that. Yeah, last we left off, we were, we were a little errand boy picking up laundry soap to exchange for wire, to get a poncho made, to give to a cold robot, so it could repair a tracker to give to our friend, the brother of, the twin brother of Deadmau5 here. Also, so we can find his papa to give, well, no, we're using the tracker to find this guy's dad. The guy used the term guy loosely, so we can get a Zerk weapon. A weapon of light, both literal and figurative, I guess. So armed with the tracker, we opened a door to a new area, and here we are. With Seamouse, or Deadmau5, or Seamus. I don't know how to say this at all. And there's a bunch of Zerks here, apparently. Get this cool badge, so people know that I'm a cat with a purpose. Thank you, sir. So this is actually the first area we've been to outside of the area where we start. And, oh no, it's blocked off. We can't go back there. Oh, I wanted a poncho for myself. I wanted a cat poncho. Yeah, so we have to go to the sewers, which is apparently the most dangerous place in the game. So we can find that robot's dad, his papa, to get our weapon of light. Yeah. Wonder what color our lightsaber crystal is going to be. I really want like a kind of like a deep orange, not like a blood orange, not like a red, not like a regular orange, but like a blood orange. And kind of like my fur here. That would be rad. This music's kicking up, so I'm getting kind of nervous. Let's see if I can drift this cat again. Tried to drift it in the last. Oh, there I did. Ah, I can drift this cat. 10 out of 10 this game. 10 out of. Now I know it's overwhelmingly positive. Woo. Sweet cat drifts. Knock this off the steps. Oh no. Okay, well I got my sweet drifting skills, so let's see what we got here. Fast as fast can be. You'll never catch me. Oh, you caught me. I could grind this rail. Why can't this cat jump? Like, I mean, just like a dedicated jump button. It's only when I come across the ledge here. I just want to be bouncing around. Hells bells. Oh, these Zerky jerks. Look at that. That's gross. How do they all know I'm here? Okay, I think we gotta do a little whoopsie. Whoopsie. That was pretty cool. Oh, I'm the best cat drifter in the land. Should have made the third Fast and Furious movie about me. Cat drift. Yuck. Alright, you can, oh, jeez. You can turn off that light now. How did I... Okay, there we go. No. Yeah, I know, I want you to... You're giving our position away. Can you turn... Okay, it's off. Yeah, I don't want to get in that goop, but I think I messed up here. Oh, let's go over here. Turn around. There we go. Governor. That's a cat accent here. Oh, did I not? Oh, come on. That should be enough. Oh. Where's a good force push when you need it? Yeah, we'll try again. There we go. Jeez. Alright, so as the previous videos, this being part 3, we are going to kind of keep these into about hour chunks until we get to the end. I actually don't know how long this game is. I should go to how long to play, find that out. I'm guessing it's probably like an... Holy shit. Wow! That was amazing. I didn't land on my feet, though. I'm guessing this is like in the 8-hour range. 6 to 8 hours is what I'm kind of guessing. We'll see. I very much like these contained, like, single-player narrative games, but they're just not... They're not popular. All the kids want their building and their crafting games, their live service games, survival games, you know, team deathmatch games, that kind of stuff. I'm past my prime in those. Maybe I'll write about it sometime. I really dislike Fortnite, not because of Fortnite the game, but because it was supposed to be like a base building kind of horde mode game, and I was stoked about that. And I played the alpha or the beta of that, and then it was like the joke was, "What's happening with Fortnite? What's happening with Fortnite?" It was just an ongoing thing. They didn't really seem to make much progress on the game, but they did have that alpha beta up or whatever. And then they decided, just for funsies, to make a kind of clone of PUBG, and it became so popular that they just scrapped the regular game mode, the one I was looking forward to. I'm so upset. Still upset to this day. I'm sure it was much better decision for them in the long run, you know, financially and all that, to make the game they did make, but I really wanted that. I really wanted that horde mode game. True story. I said I was going to write about it, but I pretty much just said the whole thing right now. Oh, and they canceled another game. Oh, what was it called? They're making it again. It was like Paragon, or something like that. It was like it was a MOBA, but it was third person, like over the shoulder. And because I never got into League or Dota, but I really liked that MOBA. But as soon as the Fortnite PUBG clone took off, you know, they pulled resources from that game and shut it down. They did, however, make all the assets available for free, which is pretty cool. I think there's 2 studios who are trying to reignite the game as we speak. I don't know what I'm doing because I'm talking too much now. Anyway, that's my Alan Bryce School Story of the Day. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, this is disgusting. Don't make as much noise. Oh, this is just gross. Gross, gross, gross. Here we go. Oh, wow. Somebody's got him in the cage. Interesting. Who could that be? Is it Papa? There's music playing, so that usually is an indicator that we need to jump through the table. Can I do that again? That was pretty cool. Yes! Clipping through tables like a boss. Clipping through tables like a boss. Like a cat boss. Not a boss baby. Oh, maybe this is the dad. The papa. Holy shit. Oh, he's even got mad scientist approximation of hair there. That's pretty cool. No, I'm not a Zerk. I'm a cat. That's my bat. Oh, yes, it is. How did you, your one of your sons gave it to me. Mm-hmm. You have no idea how to escape this place. Okay. Well, it's because you're sleeping in a chair, doofus. You haven't even tried. Yeah, how did you get a vending machine in here? It's empty, but still. They're small and running around making lots of... Yeah, that's humans for you. Children. Yeah, I guess so. Guess we can say that. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Can I clip through this table? Nope. Oh, is that the weapon? Yes. The defluxer. Put it in my backpack. Let's go. Oh, it explodes them. Oh, this game is now an 11 out of 10. This baby needs 1.21 gigawatts. Gigawatts? If we need to go back in time, we need so many gigawatts and we need to go 88 miles per hour. Can you do that, sir? Fuse blue. It's too dangerous. Okay, I can do that. I can help you. Generator fuse. Okay. Okay, I thought you couldn't get out of here. Or you... Oh, okay. Maybe. My understanding was you're trapped in this apartment here, but maybe you just meant in this area. Where'd you go? Blast them. Can they multiply in here? Hope not. They can eat metal. What's keeping them in that cage? Wait a minute. I thought I had to find a fuse. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got the fuse to the generator so you can turn. Okay. Gotcha. Follow the yellow brick road. Okay. Best of luck. Just met you, but good luck. You're our only hope. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Just full of amazing jokes today, in case you didn't notice. Alright, where's my cat map? What I need is a cat nap. Why? Man, they're just coming. The hits just keep coming. This is prime entertainment, folks. Aren't you glad you clicked on this thumbnail? I know I am. Alright, where did he say the generator was? Too busy making dumb jokes. Maybe through here. Gotta keep them generated. Oh! Don't pay no fine. You're under 18. You won't be doing any time. Hey. Come out and play. Yeah, what? Hang on. Hit me with it, robot. You need to change the fuse or follow the... Oh, yeah, the yellow cable. God, I'm so dumb. I read it, and then I just forgot. I did, like, a few seconds later. Got some wires scrambled upstairs. Oh, we gotta go back. How much you want to bet some Zergs? Starcraft on the brain. Zergs are gonna pop out here. And Terrans and Protoss and all that kind of stuff. Fuse it up. Mm-hmm. Oh, no, that's gonna attract. Yep, they're coming. Oh, my goodness. Whoop, whoop. Yes. Yo, that is awesome. Overwatch. You gotta help me, Overwatch. Right up here. Get him. Yes, yes, yes. Pop him like it's it. Oh. Alright, let me in. Woo! High five! High five! Probably just clipping my audio there. You are excite. I did! Have you seen how powerful the deflect? Yeah, it's awesome. Exactly. That's what I was thinking. I wanted it on my back like a turret, but we can do the drone thing. That's fine too. Is this like generate the second? Is this third gen tech? So now we can make it smaller, and it has, you know, like a 3% better screen and 4% better battery life, and we're charging you 100% more money. Fancy drone. Okay. Oh man, this chair is really doing me dirty. If you don't use it too much, it could. If you do, oh, well, you're dangerous. Your table's dangerous. I clipped through it. Oh, you're just. You're not even giving an F about these steps, are you? Your whole house here is clippable. Wait, how do I... Shock and awe. Oh, there we go. Nice, I hold it down. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Amazing. I wish the sound effect was just a tiny bit more violent. Let's put it that way. Go pow, pow, pow. Almost like a wet firecracker. Ew. Like a wet firecracker. That's that could also be an episode title. Gross. Like a wet firecracker in a bowl of Jell-O. There we go. Poof. I guess he probably doesn't have to be wet if it's in the Jell-O. Just sounds more gnarly, doesn't it? I just turned on the electricity. I don't know why we're having this conversation right now, Doc. Yeah, I probably gotta follow another yellow cable. There we go. Give me a boost. Better yet, just throw me in there. Move this. A lot of burn barrels in this place. Nothing burning in them. Little help here? Nah. Like characters just, well, when they don't know what to do, they just walk around staring at walls. And I get it. I like to stare at a good wall every once in a while. Give a wall a good stare. It's therapeutic. There's the thing. But I have a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. Come and get me. Oh, shoot. Zappy zap zap. Turn around, robot. I like this. It controls nicely. I like the... Oh, I like the feel of this. You're all up on Doc. Let's go, Doc. I'm only one cat. Wow, this thing's got a cooldown. Jeez. Can I just slash him with my claws? I need like a melee attack too, because this robot has a... Can I increase the cooldown perhaps? Or shorten the cooldown perhaps? Could I say perhaps some more? You're sneaking there, aren't you? Sneaky, sneaky. These robots need a lot of air conditioning to keep their CPUs cool. Except for that one that I had to I built a poncho with my bare paws, with the poncho that I had to have knitted by Grandma. That robot was cold. Everyone else is just massively air conditioned. So a lot of vapor chambers here. That was a cooling joke. It's just comedy gold, really, this channel. Hey, son. I love you. I love you too, Dad. I love you too. I missed you so much. So many things have changed since you've been gone. Like, I got this hat. It's a great hat. Uh-huh. Yes. Only I can fight back against the Zerks, not you guys. You don't have the light. Alright, Momo. I think so too. Let's go, B12. Get your vitamin butt over here. Hang on, before we go, I need a drink. Oh, it's not gonna let me do it. Dang it. Oh, who are you? I almost said bozo. Benzu. Is that like an ointment? Exactly, okay. So we're completely shutting out this area. I got it. It's fine. Is Momo coming with me or is he gonna see me off? Apparently he's coming with. Yo! What's up? Yeah, I see you. I'm just trying to get over there. Hang on, hang on, if there's any collectibles here. Nope. Nope. Okay. Zanzibar, yes, we can. Let's go. This is ball taser. Ball taser, yes. Let's get ball taser. Zoltan. Zoltan the Magnificent. Zoltan the what? I really got to go look up that fortune telling machine's name in Big that I mentioned in the last episode. What are we on here? What is this raft made of? Made of or made from? Could be both, right? Oh, there's our meow button. I love it. Hey, Momo. Yeah. Yeah. Indeed. This water is probably only, is this water? Whatever it is. Not very deep. Of course, I'm a cat. And, stereotypes, suggest that I would be not fond of water that has been, gathered together to form a larger body, like a stream here, perhaps a lake. Most definitely the ocean. Right. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Do I gotta open something? Yes, okay. I'm gonna jump through some stuff here. Sit tight, Momo. I got this. Woo! Maybe up over there and down around there, over there. Ha. Maybe not. No. Pretty sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, I was right. I was just not getting the jump icon indicator, the prompt, if you will. Can I climb that ladder? Right not. Oh, snap. Can I pop them while they're still in the zit? I can. Shoot. Come on, big money. Wait, no. Okay. We're okay. There we go. Yosh. It's a good thing all these levers for the things in this world are fatties that I can jump on. Can I, like, take a bath? A cat bath right now? I'm feeling kind of dirty. No? Okay. Worth a shot. Worth a shot. Yeah. Really? Okay. Well, makes one of us. Wonder if there's any other robots out here. Mm-hmm. Do you know how to use that? Oh, I guess not. What did you do? Manually, if there's a lever for me to jump on, we're in business. If not, you gotta tug on these chains here. That's all you. Go on then. Pretty strong. Okay. When you find Zanzibar and Clementine, tell them I was brave. Yes, I will. So brave. Oh, this is gross. Reminds me I gotta go get a colon check next week. Yuck! Too much information. Not enough. Not enough time. Oh. Invisible walls. Love it. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Oh, nope. See, I'm in the stuff. We didn't need that raft. Could have just walked here. Okay, is there something collectible through here? Yep, we gotta shoop. Just a little more power on those pops. Make it a little more satisfying. Trick or treat. Feeling good about this. Oh, got a memory. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Alright, we did get a collectible. Got more story beats. In the form of this memory. It's like when they just leave those cassette tapes laying around a level. You just pick them up and listen to them. It's BioShock, basically. Wait. I should go back and play those games. I really liked... I liked all of them. To be... I know some people didn't like Infinite or 2. They're like, OG BioShock or nothing. But I liked all of them. There was a DLC for 2. I think it was 2. It's really compact and really good. It was called... what's it called? Minerva's Den. I really liked that game a lot. I liked that it wasn't quite as long. Last of Us did that really well with their DLC bit. I don't even remember what that's called. It was for the first game, not the second game. I think it was. Yeah. Also, on that note, and talking about Naughty Dog, the DLC bit for Uncharted was really good too. The one with Chloe. Again, it was smaller, a little more contained. Quite enjoyed it. Hogs! We're gonna going down! I thought I could jump back out the way. You sunk my battleship. I was reminiscing about Uncharted 4 and you sunk my battleship. How did we... Oh, we could have gone down there. Okay, again, I didn't get the prompt. All right. Okay. Can we skate past just a little bit here? I guess we can. This game's got stealth. Stealth levels in it, right? It's marble madness is what we're doing here. Just got a little bit better control. Yeah, that would be a lot if I was going to try to pop all these. Oh, shoot. Where am I going here? What'd you say we had to do? The sewer, something. Oh, yeah. I did say it probably stunk in here earlier. It's usually where the light is. Where's BB? Oh, there it is. Oh, dog. I was gonna say BB-8, but that's not the right one. What's the Jedi Survivor one? BD. Oh, come on, come on, come on, baby. All right, one more time. Run, son. Can't step to this. Let's go for the door. Shit. Should probably use my zapper, but... Oh, wow, yeah. No bueno. Oh, those eyeballs? What is happening? Oh, they are... Oh, this is gross. Holy cow. This is like a whole nother ball game here. Oh, you can't stop. You can't stop, drop, and roll. Can't use that light, I guess. It's creepy eyes. Can I blind them with the light? Revved up like a deuce. Oh, you're gonna make me do the whole thing again. Okay. Okay, game. I see you. I see you. Alright, Sweet Cat moves. NFL. Yes. Put me on the... Put me in the game, coach! Killing it here. Those things... Excuse me, take a minute to pop, so we got some time. You really should be able to run faster. Oh, you guys just stopped. You're not gonna barrel in here like a bunch of jerks like you usually do? Okay. I think we got a checkpoint too. I'm happy about that. More rent. Those eyeballs are really creepy. We might have moved into Resident Evil territory here. Where's the umbrella logo? Gotta be here somewhere. Yeah, I really gotta figure out how to up the on time for this. And or decrease the cooldown. Ominous music, check. Go, BD. Oh, there's the eyes again. Yuck. It's too far away. No, why would you do that? Oh, you gotta go all the way to the other side. If they see me, can they pop those zits? Is that what's happening here? Too far. Oh. Too far away. I'm meowing. Can't you hear me? Oh, jeez. Come on. Oh, it's frustrating. Alright, let's shine it in these eyes. Pink eye. Oh, it's all the way over here? Ridiculous. Oh, come on. I juked you so hard. I juked you so hard. Unbelievable. I'm getting a lot of deaths in this one, folks. Embarrassing myself on live TV. This isn't live. Okay, do your stupid thing. I probably should have cleared this out ahead of time. Ah, Billy Bob Thornton. Alright, that's all the... Oh, no, there's one there. Just scooting along there, little guy. Alright, where were those other ones at? Ah, shoot. Shoot! I want to be able to get up on this hand railing here. I don't shake anymore. Shaking. Shake and bake. There we go. Come on, you're not really helping me out here. Get across. This is not something I expected to be doing this game. I'm liking it though. It's manageable, just taking a little time. Gotta get to that other barrel. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Come on. No, 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 no. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, come on. Oh, I got greedy. Got greedy, folks. This cat got greedy. What if we just run? Let's try one where we just run to that barrel and just say screw it. Probably not gonna work, but you can't jump with them on you. Yep. Nope, no dice. No dice, Ellen Bryce. Okay, we're just gonna go slow again. Going slow again. Just can't wait to be going slow again. Alright, hit me with the... Hit me with the business. Ah! I thought I let off in time, but... Guess not! Making popcorn again. Are they... Is that hand railing blocking the beam there for you, kiddos? Alright, you big chunderhead. Where do they go? Oh, shit. Oh, that was close. We almost died a horrible death. Again! Again. Alright, give it to me, baby. Uh-huh, uh-huh. All the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a cat guy. Oh, shit. Did it again. Snuck up on me. That was close. That was close again. Let's just get you out of the way. Off the field of play. Come on. Oh no, come on. Go around this corner. There we go. There we are. Ugh, this is frustrating. Just let me be the Zap Master. Running away. Okay. You. That should upset you. You're much more resilient than I thought. All right. This way, friends. Listen to the sound of my piccolo. Where'd you go? You're not listening. There, now you listen. Is it just that one? Okay. I think that's the group that got us last time. It's right there. It's right there. Oh, you chose wisely. This is good starting on the right side. That left side, sorry, that side would have been harder. Nicer platform, more barrels. Woo! High five, everyone. That was rough. That was R-U-F-F rough. Oh man. We're in the heart of it now. Even though there's no heart, we're in the eye of the storm. How about that? That was actually pretty good. It was a pretty good pun. Wait, is that an Autobot on the side of your... Ah! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Do it! Area of attack! Just boosh! Oh no, that's not what I meant. In you go. More running. Ah. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. You don't taste very good. I don't know where you've been. I want to kind of explore here. This looks pretty cool. Instead, I gotta bolt through it. A lot of work goes into these areas, and nobody's gonna be able to see it. No, we made a left turn at Chattanooga. Yep, should have stayed center course. Yes, I would like to retry. Don't make me go all the way out to the mouth grabbing part. Oh, you didn't. Oh my goodness. Okay. These are like there were those levels in the newer Tomb Raider games where you were sliding. It was like a mudslide or something. Oh shit. And every time you messed up, you got like impaled by a piece of wood, and then you had to go replay it to learn the pattern of where you're supposed to go, and just keep getting impaled over and over again until you kind of solve the movement puzzle. It was ridiculous. This isn't as bad as that, no impaling of cats, but you know what I mean. You really got to get on your horse. Shut the gate. Nice. Nice, Des. You're in a bad way right now, though. Get up. There we go. That was rough for you. Oh, wow, okay. So you're part of a network. Yeah, okay, look at that sticker there. Tell me that's not an Autobot. That white one. I can't zoom in, but can you see it there? That's what I'm imagining it is. Yep. Oh no, we just got it. Now we're done with it? Oh my goodness. Well, with the defluxer destroyed, I guess that's game over. Well, at least it's game over for now. See what I did there? Thanks for joining me for part 2, and we'll see you next time. Wait a minute, this is part 3, isn't it? Thank you for joining me for part 3, and we'll see you next time in part 4 of Stray or Die. Hopefully not so much dying next time. See you then.